A is for apple.
A is for apple.
B.
B.
B is for balloon.
B is for balloon.
C.
C.
C is for car.
C is for car.
D.
D.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
E.
E.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F.
F.
F is for fox.
F is for fox.
G.
G.
G is for gate.
G is for gate.
H.
H.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
I. I is for igloo.
I is for igloo.
J.
J.
J is for juice.
J is for juice.
K.
K.
K is for kite.
K is for kite.
L.
L.
L is for lamb.
L is for lamb.
M.
M.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
N.
N.
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
O.
O.
O is for orange.
O is for orange.
P. P is for parrot.
P is for parrot.
Q.
Q.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quail.
R.
R.
R is for rabbit.
R is for rabbit.
S.
S.
S is for snake.
S is for snake.
T.
T.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
U.
U.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
V.
V.
V is for van.
V is for van.
W.
W.
W is for watch.
W is for watch.
X. X is for X-ray.
X is for X-ray.
Y.
Y.
Y is for yacht.
Y is for yacht.
Z.
Z.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Let's learn small ABC. A.
A.
A for alligator.
A for alligator.
B. B for Butterfly.
B for butterfly.
C. C for car.
C for car.
D. D for drum.
D for drum.
E. E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F. F for fan.
F for fan.
G. G for goat.
G for goat.
H. H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ink.
I for ink.
J. J for jackfruit.
J for jackfruit.
K. K for king.
K for king.
L. L for lamp.
L for lamp.
M. M for mango.
M for mango.
N. N for nest.
N for nest.
O. O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P. P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q. Q for quill.
Q for quill.
R. R for rose.
R for rose.
S. S for sun.
S for sun.
T. T for tomato.
T for tomato.
U. U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V. V for violin.
V for violin.
W. W for wall.
W for wall.
X. X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y. Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z. Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.
Bye bye.